Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. Friends, I am excited about this video because I am collaborating with a group of talented people. As hosts, we have DIY with Audia and Lolly Disc Creations. And as guest hosts, we have Miguelitos DIY and CJ DIY. The links to their channels and the playlist will be listed in the description box. For the first DIY, we will need a ceramic candle holder, a large styrofoam egg, and some velvet push pins. Each packet has 20 and I use a total of 6. Sewing pins. The sewing pins are from Walmart and the rest of the items are from Dollar Tree. First, we will paint the egg navy blue to match the push pins. I gave it 2 coats and let it dry. To give the egg better stability, I decided to add a silver wooden ring. I will use some tape and cardstock to hold the ring and paint it. Next, I will be attaching the velvet push pins to the egg using tacky glue. For the next step, there is no need for any glue. I am simply inserting each sewing pin since they are a little long. I am placing each pin where there is a gap, as you can see here. Since this wooden ring is nice and dried, using E6,000 glue, I will attach it to the ceramic candle holder and let it dry. To make the egg a little more interesting, I will create a groovy line in the middle of the egg with sewing pins. Finally, it is time to attach the egg to the stand using E6000 glue and let it dry for 24 hours. I am going to put this project aside and start the next DIY, which is my favorite. For this DIY, we will use a few items, but I would like to show you what we're gonna do. I will be creating two vases, one bigger than the other one. For one vase, we will need a glass vase and two 5-inch wooden rounds, one for the bottom and the other one for the top. These are from Michael's. The rest of the items are from Dollar Tree. Then, using bamboo skewers, we will insert some beads and attach them to the wooden rounds. First, we want to cut a 3-inch hole in one of the wooden rounds. Since I will create two vases, I will do this for two of them. I will do this in my garage, so I'll be right back. Next, we want to make 8 holes in each wooden round to attach the skewers. I did this in my garage, so these are ready to go. After arranging all my pieces together, I need to figure out the length of the skewers. Now, I will cut all the skewers to size for two vases, one bigger than the other. Next, I will attach all the skewers to the vase using tacky glue and let it dry. For the next step, get creative. I decided to add mainly natural beads and add one white and two black ones in the middle. Finally, it is time to seal the vase using tacky glue. This step is tricky, so get some help if you can. Here is the final reveal. Let me know what you think of these DIYs. So, do you call personally these vases or vases? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss great DIYs like these.